We're starting a remodel. I am the general contractor. My wife is the client. And I have to get this done by the end of April or else I'm in big trouble. Hey everyone, today's Saturday the 23rd of January. Just want to say thanks for everybody that's been watching the videos so far. And if you like it, please give a like and subscribe so you can follow along. I'll be posting new videos every Saturday or Sunday, not really sure. Anyway, we got through our second week and it was a very productive week. We're about 95% of the way through demo and framing up the new walls. We also got the air handler put in at the basement. And lastly, we came across our first issue this week, which almost caused a bit of a problem. So we narrowly avoided that one yesterday, and I'm going to take you through how that went. Fortunately, I think we've made a good solution. So let's go take a walk through and see how everything looks. Welcome to day 11 on the project. We have made it through 10 full days so far of demo and reframing. And I'm here in the entryway. This stair is completely gone. Pretty cool. This thing is going to get opened up a little bit more just to make a bigger opening. And then you can see now the living room and the dining room is really taking shape. So I'm standing in the corner of the living room. You can see we have a temporary stair, but that's pretty much where the new stair is going to be. And then over here you can see what this opening is going to look like between the living room and the dining room. I'm going to take a second and just show you what it used to look like. We're going to show you some old footage there. So let's go check out the new stair. I mentioned there was an issue that we came across this week, which was the stair to the ceiling right there was too short. So when you're walking down the stairs, you're going to hit your hair. That's no good. So what we had to do after we had put this structural beam, this LVL in here, right here, it was over there. And we had to relocate it about 6 inches over here, which is going to allow for enough clearance between that beam and the top of that finished tread. So we avoided an issue there yesterday, but that almost became a problem down the road, and we just had to communicate and figure out what to do. Let's take a walk up this temporary stair. I can't wait to show everybody what the new stair is going to look like. I'm here on a Saturday, and I got to hand it to my buddies here, an electrician, Nelson, and a plumber, Steve. Everyone's doing a great job. So what you're going to notice here is this kids' room is all framed up. There's going to be a washer dryer right here, and then the door into the kids' room. Excuse me, Nelson. Team Reese. This is going to be the door. There's going to be 2 closets, one there, and then this room. You're going to see the dimension of this room right here. So pretty good progress there. And then the future master closet is coming together as well. So you're going to see a master closet here in this area, tough to see. And then this wall went up, which separates the closet and the bathroom. This is going to be the master bathroom in the not so distant future. Two bad dogs. I'd like to see my 2 bad dogs, please. Very bad dogs. Tarzan, come here. Oh boy. Those are bad dogs. We also had the HVAC contractor here this week, and he started installing this hydro air system. This is an air handler down in the basement, and he did the main trunk of ductwork going into the basement. So they got some work done here, and this duct line runs into the kitchen, and it's going to provide heating and cooling through this First Company hydro air unit. pretty cool system. I'm going to go over this in a future episode in more detail. So that's it for the first 2 weeks. I have my beautiful client behind me. She's a little camera shy. And we're very excited to keep things going. So next few weeks is going to be a lot of plumbing and electrical. And follow along. Got a lot more exciting stuff to come. Oh, and don't forget, if you like this video, help me out. Put a like on it or subscribe. Hit that little red button that says subscribe. And I'll get you some new videos every week. And I love that. I love to see everyone that's following along. And thanks for sending me texts and all that. Thanks, everybody.